Wanna go for a walk?
Okay, good girl.
I've looked the devil square in his face, been a brother, a rebel, been scared and been brave. I do all I can to try and get home, but I can't make a promise on what I don't know.
Excited? We get somebody going with us this morning? Oh boy. All right. Well, I know you're anxious to go. You lead the way. We'll catch up to you. I know. But we're gonna do our morning thing. All right. Let's see what we got here today. 61%, drawing 150 watts, and we're taking in 108. And a little bit of overcast, about what, 25 degrees and a little bit of wind, and it's yoga time. Oh, all right, good morning everybody. Well, we got somebody joining us on our walk this morning.
Hi, good morning. Not typically a morning person by nature, but something I'm working on.
And it's getting light out earlier.
Yes.
So that's really nice. And although we are a little late this morning, we had some things to take care of, but we're definitely on the way for our morning walk. We got to do our morning chores, as you saw. We got the generator's not running this morning, but we're charging off the sun. I shut off the generator earlier this morning. I'll go put that out over here. Lights out here. Woo, it is windy. Got a breezy day. So anyway, yeah, we are gonna go off the sun today. I shut off the generator earlier. Let's check the propane. There we got 47. Not bad.
47.
Oh. Oh, I'm sorry. No. 37.
Okay.
I got my morning eyes on.
Yeah.
Good thing you're with me.
Yeah, because it was 41 yesterday.
Hey.
I'll have to give them a call today. We'll need some next week.
I'm not good with numbers. I got 5 here. So, no generator to turn off this morning, as I said. Tried something a little different last night. Been experimenting a little bit more, trying to figure out ways to get us through the cold nights where we're just using up a lot of power running the furnace. Generally, I would have to get up, you know, when it's about 0 or above, maybe get up once a night to charge everything, fully charge everything up. I can go back to bed. Tried that. Kind of works, but then you're up for a while because it takes a while if you let it get down below 50% before you charge it back up again. It can definitely take a while to get there, and then might have a hard time getting back to sleep. So I tried something different when it got really cold. This past week got down to, well, for us, we recorded negative 23 with the weather station there, and I don't even have my gloves on. So I was getting a little nervous. We talked about at the beginning of the week about our generator giving us a little bit of an issue starting in the cold weather. The battery just couldn't handle it. It's a small battery, and the terminal broke off because I had jumper cables attached to it. It's one thing after another. So at any rate, a couple days ago I decided to just try running it all night long. Once the Blue Eddy gets up to 100%, it goes into eco mode, and it really just idles, so it doesn't use a lot of propane and keeps it at 100%, and I don't have to worry about it, which works great. But it does use, you know, you're running it 10-12 hours straight, it's going to go through some propane, probably unnecessarily, let's just put it that way. So last night I tried something a little different, went to bed fully charged, and I'm up several times during the night anyway.
Yeah.
So it's just natural for me. I have to use the bathroom or whatever. And I would see that it was down maybe 80%. The Blue Eddy, that is, the bit be down 80 to 80%, or whew, it is windy. So I just get up, start it up. Doesn't take long to charge it at that point, only maybe 10-15 minutes. But the good thing is I don't even bother worrying about waiting till it's 100%. Oh, Ellie's on the track of something. Maybe a bunny rabbit. Yeah. Yeah, here's some tracks. At any rate, so as I was saying last night, what I did is I get up, be down to 80%, and instead of letting it go down further and getting up later, I would just hit the start remote, and that way there, it was always a little warm, and it would start usually just first try. So that was good, because I could just start it, go back to bed, stay in bed, whatever. I hope you can hear me with this wind. And if I fell asleep, it would be no big deal. I'd wake up, it'd be 100%, turn it off, it'd be good. So it worked out pretty well. Sorry about the wind.
Definitely a wind chill today.
I'm gonna turn around because that's probably gonna be easier when I talk.
But yeah, you're not getting really good quality sleep, and anything that you can do to
Can you hold this?
get more rest.
Thank you. I gotta put my hood on.
It's really been wearing him down, the lack of sleep and constant monitoring of everything. I think things will be a lot better with the new generator we're getting next week. But in the meantime, still working on things.
Yeah, the generator is gonna be here supposedly Tuesday. And till then, we just gotta kind of limp along now. It got down to 8, according to our measurements. It got down to 8 below last night. Hang on a second. You're having a hard time with that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just the angle.
Yeah, I know. There's an adjustment right here. Sorry about this, folks. So it got down to about 8 degrees below zero last night, according to our stuff. And
yeah, and tonight they're predicting below zero again.
are they?
Yeah.
I don't know what report she's listening to. I'm not.
Just a statewide
Yeah.
report, which is not always accurate for our area. We seem to have our own little weather system going on where we are.
Right. So. Whew.
Even the other weather systems in our immediate area have higher temperatures than we do.
Personal weather station.
Yeah.
I mentioned that in another video. They're all around us. You can see them in your own personal area also. Weather underground. Just do a search in your area. You'll see who has them in their backyard and whatnot. Well, it might say 25 on the personal weather station right now, but it doesn't feel like it. It's cold.
Yeah, it's not with the wind chill.
What you got there?
But the sun feels good.
Yeah.
that spot, prison.
Yeah, because she pees there every day. All right. So other than that, it's Friday. We got one more week of January. And we move into February. And hopefully warmer temperatures, which will mean using less energy and storing more energy because of the sun. Everything's just getting a little better, a little bit every day.
Oh, and our fridge is back up and running. It defrosted and slowly came back up the temperature after that. So we're grateful for that.
Yeah, everything seems to be good with the refrigerator. I never got too worried about it. There was really nothing wrong with it. I did find the humidity, the defrost tube, I think Brenda mentioned it in the video, had a little bit of ice plugged up, but there was nothing, that wasn't really causing any issues.
Yeah.
It was just a plugged up hose, and it didn't really have any effect on the fridge at all. It turned out just to be a defrost. As far as I can tell, I can't verify that the fridge door or the freezer wasn't cracked open all night long for some reason. Probably the freezer, I don't know. But at any rate, regardless, doesn't matter. Move on. It's fixed. It's working. Next. Now we have to get back to, we got a couple more days with the excavator. We were able to work it out with the company we're renting from. They reached out to us and offered us some options for either getting a refund for the couple days that we lost or extending it. We decided to extend it in hopes that maybe we could get a little bit more use out of it. We got a nice sunny day so far. All right. Well, thanks again for joining us on another walk. We're doing a lot of it right now, but I can guarantee you once the weather starts warming up, it's going to get more difficult to do. We'll do our best, but we'll be doing a lot of work around here and doing a lot of, have to take up a lot of our time.
Yeah, we'll be getting our exercise in other ways.
Yeah, for sure. I'll take you over here and show you the little ditch that we dug a few days ago. And you can tell it's definitely working. The water is still coming down the hill over here. I want to be careful. I fell on the ice the other day. But you can see this is definitely where the water is starting to accumulate. And you can tell because it snowed a couple days ago. And wherever the water's coming down, there's ice. And where the water hasn't reached yet, it's still snow. Which you can see all this is snow, which it wasn't before we did our work. It was all ice. Same with this area over here. The only problem is it's still collecting up in that area. As a matter of fact, I can see it's still wet way up over there. But it is eventually coming down in this direction here. And going down through where we dug the ditch over there. So, yay so far. Yay so far. Seems to be working. So, with these cold temperatures, probably won't be able to do too much, but I don't know. See if we can get something done. See as how we got it. And if we do, we do. If we don't, we don't. Other than that, we'll catch you in tonight's walk. You all have a good day. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe. We appreciate everybody that watches the channel. Take care.
Have a good day.
Where are you, Ellie? Oh. Hey, bye, Ellie.
I'll keep praying to heaven and fighting like hell